For the past couple weeks, I've been coming out here making improvements to my shelter, and I got to put it to the test with some wet and cold spring New England weather, so come check it out. That is not bad. You can actually make tea out of this. This is white pine, and you can tell it's pine by how many needles it has. Eastern white pine has 5 needles. Well, these aren't sticking together as nice as I would like them to. I've made these little wedges that'll hopefully lock them into place. Got some chicken pho, of course. They give you a pack of lime, and it's very important that you pour in the whole pack. I'm gonna try to make some kind of a spoon here. Not going to be much of a spoon. There's a tick on my hatchet. These things are just absolutely everywhere. You betcha it's too short. Well, you know what? We're going to put a little squeaker in right there. That's what we're going to do. There it is. Just tapping it. Alright, so we got plenty of room there. That's a pretty good one right here. Yeah, there they are. Cool. Some shingles here. We're gonna have to fix that little gap. So I'm either going to go with the Santa Fe style beef skillet here or the Cajun Smack chicken and rice. This one has more protein, so I'm going to go with this one here. Make a real spoon at some point here. It smells really good. Get rid of that. That looks pretty good. Got a couple spots on this one here. One more trip, I hope. I've always wanted to be a hobbit. It's been raining all day long, so this thing's pretty heavy. So we've got that test squared away. Might tuck in and take a little nap. Brought this yoga mat. It's my wife's, to be clear. That's pretty good. Well, I'd love to say this is super awesome and I'm super dry, but that's just not the case. I've got a couple of leaks. My leg right here is pretty wet. Got a couple of spots up by my head that are also leaking. The moss looks pretty cool, but from a functional perspective, it's definitely not the best. I've had an absolute blast out here building this shelter, and I don't think I'm done yet. This was my first true survival shelter build, and I'm pretty proud of how it turned out. This thing is awesome.